Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to replace the spark plugs on a 3.5 liter V6 found in a Honda Pilot. This is a second generation 2011 model, however this engine can be found on other Honda models as well, so a similar replacement procedure applies. Worn spark plugs will cause poor economy, poor acceleration, hard starting, a misfire, and potentially throw a check engine light. Start by opening the hood. Remove the engine cover. Use a standard screwdriver to rotate the front clips a quarter turn, then pull the cover straight off. Starting with the front of the engine, use a standard screwdriver to assist in the removal of the electrical connectors on each of the coils. Push the tang down on the connector and then gently pry the connector off using a standard screwdriver. Be extremely careful as these are brittle, so we don't want to break anything. All of these connectors have specific lengths, so there's no need to worry about mixing anything up. Now, using a 10mm with a 3-inch extension and a 3/8 drive ratchet, remove each of the acorn nuts on the coils. There will be one for each coil. Be extremely careful not to lose them in the engine bay. Now lift out each of the coil packs and place them somewhere safe. Using a 3/8 drive ratchet with a 3-inch extension, a swivel, and a 5/8 spark plug socket, remove each of the spark plugs. If you find they are binding a little, you can turn them left and right to eventually work them out. Do not force them, as this can risk damaging the threads. I do have an in-depth video for removing C spark plugs, so be sure to check that out if you need more information. Compare the old and new spark plugs to ensure they are the same. With the engine having a variable cylinder management, it's always a good idea to check the spark plugs for any extreme differences to ensure it's not burning any oil. Install the new spark plug. Do not drop it in the hole. Gently lower it in using the spark plug socket, which has a rubber insert to hold the spark plug. Tighten the spark plug. The torque specifications for the spark plugs is 16 foot-pounds or 22 Newton meters. Do the same for the next spark plug. First is removing it. For the extra footage and giving me that extra set of eyes, especially for the rear plugs, I'm using my Teslong NTS 700 borescope. The 7-inch display with LEDs on the camera tip help me see in the darkest of places while still maintaining high detail so I can see exactly what's going on. A link to this will be included in the video description. Install the new spark plug and torque it to the correct specification. And finally, as the last one on the front, remove that spark plug. Then install the new spark plug and torque. Install the coil packs. They simply sit into place. The torque specifications for the acorn nuts is 9 foot-pounds or 12 Newton meters. Reconnect all those electrical connectors. You should hear them click into place when fully seated. Now you're done on the front and you can move on to the rear. The rear is the same as the front with less visibility. Push the tang on each of those electrical connectors, then use the assistance of a standard screwdriver to help pry up the connectors. Take your time. This is only plastic and it may be brittle. Again, each of these connectors are a specific length, so they cannot be mixed up. Using a 10mm with a 3/8 drive ratchet, remove the acorn nuts on the coils. There will be 3 in total. Now lift out each of the coil packs and place them somewhere safe. Using the same setup as previously, a 5/8 spark plug socket, universal joint, 3-inch extension, and a 3/8 drive ratchet, all in this order, remove the spark plugs. If the plugs are stuck, work them back and forth. If it's extreme, you may need to reassemble the engine, let it warm up, then retry removing the spark plugs. Install the new spark plug and tighten. The torque specifications for the spark plugs is 16 foot-pounds or 22 Newton meters. Now for the second spark plug at the back, remove it. Install the new spark plug and torque it. Then the final spark plug. This one requires a little more maneuvering around the lines on the firewall. After that is tightening up the last spark plug. The coil packs are then installed. Give them a little twist to ensure each of them are seated. Install the acorn nut, and the torque specifications for that is 9 foot-pounds or 12 Newton meters. Reconnect those electrical connectors for the coil packs. You should hear a click when they're fully locked into place. Start the engine to ensure everything is functioning correctly. I did have a check engine light kick on due to the misfire, and this will disappear after about 3 short trips, or you can use a code reader to clear the codes. Install the engine cover, snap the rear clips into place, and then use a standard screwdriver to lock in those front clips by turning them a quarter turn. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.